Today I am going to be doing other YouTube video of a house tour. Okay, so just you will see whatever I have. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are some couches. Okay, and this is the table to eat, the kitchen, and the stairs. And we have our own swimming pool. Oh yeah, and the tables. So now let's go upstairs. This view is amazing. So let's just take you upstairs. Okay, here you go. And this is the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. Looks pretty fancy. And this is the window. And I'll show you a view. Do you see anything down there? And yeah, and look, that's the big swimming pool. So if you can't see it, I'll show you in the way. So here is my closet and the bathroom. Okay, now let's go on to the other room. It's actually the exact same thing. Okay, this is my father's room. Okay, and you have the view of the swimming pool. It kind of looks like a Roblox thing, right? If I'm wrong. There's a shortcut. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs. Guys, the reason you cannot see me is that that I cannot reverse the camera to show you everything. So just forgive me for now. Okay. So now you are going to see the big swimming pool. Okay. Now, wait, let me just wear my shoes real quick. Okay, done. Oh yeah, this is the core. And these are just villas. This is the other house. I'm sorry, this is our house also. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking you on the way. 1 minute. I'm about to go to the swimming pool. The big one. Would you look at this? This is a view. The sauna. Oh, this is nice. The office. Okay. Now, let's get back to the room. Yeah, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'll just get in. Yeah, I forgot to show you this seat when you were a guest. Okay. So that's the end of the video. Hope you like my house. Don't forget to like and subscribe to All Dude Legend. See you in the next video.